What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. Are you ready? Let's go. You can do it on a website, on social media, in email marketing, and even with paid ads. But for this video, we're going to focus on two main platforms that anybody can get started with right now, and that is YouTube and TikTok. Both of these platforms reward their creators with ad revenue based on how many views they get. So the more views you get, the more money you make. And guess what? It's completely free. Step number one is to pick a platform. You can get started with affiliate marketing on various different platforms. Step number two is to create content in your chosen niche. Now, when I first started out, I didn't know what niche to pick. Now that you've created some content in your chosen niche, it's time to make some money with it. The way that affiliate marketing works is that you promote other people's products and services. You get a commission for every sale that you make. There are thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can join, but for this video, I'm going to show you two of the most popular ones. And that is Amazon Associates and ClickBank. With Amazon Associates, you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon. And with ClickBank, you can promote digital products like courses and software. Just pick something that you are interested in and start making videos about it. The biggest mistake that I see beginners make is that they try to cater to everybody, and they end up not appealing to anybody. So my best advice for you is to pick a niche that you are genuinely interested in, and then create content around that niche. For example, if you like video games, you could create a channel around that. If you like fitness, you could create content around that. If you like to cook, you can create a cooking channel. The possibilities are really endless here, so choose something that you're passionate about. And that is how you get started with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about these two ways of doing affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out my links on bio for recommended programs and tools that are working to earn money online. See you in the next one. To your success, and see you soon.